Hi and welcome everyone to my unboxing of my lovely Asia Tees consignment. Look at this, all the way from Hong Kong. This has arrived in the UK in double quick time, like a week, maybe less than that. Anyway, let's see what's inside, shall we? So I've opened the box already because it's a bit clumsy. I've got the usual decals, of course, usual stickers, lovely. And the first thing in here is a roll cage from the Marauder kit, the Killer Body Marauder kit. It's a spare one. I'm going to try and put a roll cage with some description on whatever's in the box. So there's the Marauder as it is, in slightly dismantled as I add bits and bobs to it. But that's what it is, and I'm going to try and add it to this, whatever's inside that big box there. But we'll come to that in a minute. First up, we have a Team Raffee metal rear bumper with spare wheel holder. And we also have, of course, you have to get a new shell, you have to get new alloys. Inside the big box we have the main attraction. Obviously there's the instruction book, so we can see it's a pickup of some description. Beautiful. And some decals again, interior decals. Lots of little bubble packs, various bits and bobs in each one. I'll pick out the obvious ones and then we'll have a look at a wide shot in a minute. Some nice rubber wheel arches, which would be great. So this is a hard plastic kit. First one for me. Roof there by the looks of it, and the rear window mount. So definitely a pickup truck. We've got a bag of what looks like grille and bumper parts. Look, there's that's the front grille section. Lots of realistic headlight buckets and so forth on this. There's the radiator grille. And there's the front cab section and bonnet. It is actually one piece. Looks like wing mirrors there. Bits and bobs fell out of that bag. Lovely. So I can't get that out one-handed. So let's go to a wide shot and see what we got. So this is the whole thing out of the box. We've got the front and the rear section put together. Placed together, I should say. That's one of my boxes that will go in there in due course. So you get a whole one-piece rear section, pickup bed. There's the rear window section just standing on there. The roof is just sitting on top of the body, and then the whole front cab and bonnet section is one piece. Inside is the half of the standard Proline crawler interior, which you get, which will be replaced as quickly as financially possible, but it'll do for starters. Inside we've also got lots of lovely clear parts. All the lights are clear parts. There's the mud guards. There's the grille again. There's even a bit of mesh to go across it as well. It's going to look super good, that. There's the indicators and so on. We've got looks like the wing mirror inserts. Those are the body posts, actually. And a bag of bolts and bits and bobs and a hard plastic bumper. Now I don't need that because, as I say, I've got the rear bumper. It should be zooming into shot any minute now. There it is. So that's going to go on the back. I really wanted some metal bumpers to try and protect this shell if it ever rolls over. So the front is going to have this big TRX4 bull bar, I guess. Look at the size of that thing. What a whopper. It's going to sit above the bonnet and act as a bit of a roll cage, because of course this is going to be, as you've seen there, a highway patrol, sheriff's department, whatever, US black and white police Jeep Comanche. That's what it is. It's a Jeep Comanche, which is the pickup version of the Cherokee XJ, which was the standard SCX10.2 body shell. So it's going to have those lovely alloy wheels on. It's going to have the BF Goodriches from the original kit to give it that kind of slightly road bias look. It's not going to be my everyday crawler shell, of course. It's going to be for best. It's going to be for trails and so on. I'm not going to be doing any daft hill challenges. No matter how much egging on Terry does, it's not going to happen. So I'm really stoked about this. It's going to be awesome.